Okay, this is a big one that we hear often, and it comes from people who are nearsighted, and they're wearing typically in day to day wearing their progressive lenses, and they say, "Well, I'm nearsighted. I take my glasses off to see." Okay, and I don't want anything in my craft optics. Well, here's why that's not recommended. First of all, let's start with number one is if you have any kind of astigmatism, you want to make sure that's corrected before you amplify it. So I'm going to reiterate what we say over and over. The magnifiers are not a substitute for your corrected vision, okay? They are an enhancement to your corrected vision. So if your vision is correct here, then this is just enhancing it. You're going to have no eye strain. It'll be comfortable. It's when you try to go around your prescription, when you say, "Oh, I take them off and I don't want my glasses," and then you try a magnifier. If you've wondered why over the years you've had eye strain, it's because you're doing that, and that is not the way to be comfortable. The other thing that is affected greatly is your working distance. We know from your corrected vision in combination with the magnifiers, we know what your working distance will be. If you get the regular working distance, we know you're going to be about 14 to 16 inches away from your target. But without your prescription, without your correction in here, that all bets are off. We don't know that. So that's always based on correct vision. So think of it this way too. When you have your full prescription in the frame, you flip these up and you see as you normally do. So, why would I want to have to switch glasses multiple times? I mean, the whole point is that we don't have to do that with these. So if you're wearing these, I have the magnifiers on, I can see off in the distance, my clear, distance vision, that's what I have installed in here. If I flip up the magnifiers, I've got my near correction right here. So I can see near. I don't have to be hunched over to see clearly. I can sit at that comfortable posture, all because my vision is corrected in here first, and this is just enhancing it. So when your vision is correct in here, if I'm looking at a target here, okay, and I flip these up, I'm at the same distance. I don't have to move back and forth. I'm not adjusting my work position. It allows me to work in an upright position and create comfortably without any eye or back strain, okay? So that is why you put your prescription in the glasses.